Hey, now you're chewing on my nail. Trystan, he was chewing on my thumbnail. Whoop. Hey. That's a tough one, that green guy, right? There you go, bird. All right, you ready to go? Hey, how about we put one like this in your hair? See if they land on your head. There we go, he landed on your head. No, you don't want him to land on your head? Say bye to Andrew. Say bye, Andrew. Bye, Francis. Ooh. Listen, hold it up to those guys up there. Did you want to hold this stick? Ooh. Susie, look, this Trystan, this guy keeps getting on my finger. He's going to come back for it. He said, that's my stick. Whoa, Tristan's got two.